This is the Atco Quattro 16S. This is a self-propelled machine. It's powered by a powerful Briggs & Stratton 140cc engine. It's an overhead valve engine. It's 4-stroke, so it just literally runs on straight unleaded fuel. It's an easy starting machine because if we just turn it around, you can actually see on the side here we have the primer button. We just prime the carburettor, pull the cord, and away we go. The machine has 3 individual height of cut adjustments, one on each of the front wheels and one that does the rear axle. They range from 25 to 80 mil and 5 settings in between. So at the moment the machine is set up as a collection machine, so we can lift the grass flap and we can take off the bag, drop down the grass flap, and the mower is now just going to chuck the grass straight out the back, which is great if you've got long grass that you want to get under control without having to collect it or mulch it. The machine also comes with a mulching plug as standard. The mulching plug just fits straight into the back of the machine, like so. Drop the grass flap down. Now you've got a mulching mower, so it's going to give you a nice collected finish, but without collecting the grass.
For peace of mind, this Atco machine, subject to servicing, has 5 years manufacturer's warranty, which is supported by ServiceLink helpline and 600 approved ServiceLink dealers across the UK and Ireland. The ServiceLink dealers will support with any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance you may require.